turned up and
Do I have my sunglasses here?
No, I put them in the house the day you came back today. It's gonna be sunny today. I don't think it's a problem.
Good morning again, guys. Oh, you bring something in there. What is that? In the plastic bag.
that is when Greg Radcliffe goes
Sorry, I
bald
don't
and
need this
Crisco
muffin.
very calmly poured a glass
I'm
of
going
water
to
on his
quit,
head.
and my husband will drop me off.
No,
Say
Greg
hi,
showed
hon.
up at a press conference back in
Morning.
April demanding to fly him, but security. Wednesdays at 9:14, sports in 1 minute. Unhinged.
Morning.
Service experts at your Ford dealer know you'll likely be hitting the road this summer. So get to
I don't have
work.
my glasses.
He expected the rents to cook and clean for him in his pal, so they went to court and had him booted. Wednesdays at 9:25. Money Watch in a minute.
Is ED affecting your relationships? It doesn't have to. Men's Medical Clinic can help you now. If those popular pills just aren't working like you thought they would, it's time you tried the most effective non-surgical medical treatment there is. Customized just for you. Noted
What?
author, speaker, and sexual
not hear
health
that?
expert Dr. Kevin
What?
Hornsby has trained a local team of doctors
Chinese
who
couple,
stand ready to
pay a
restore that
job.
intimacy and spark
Quit the
to
job,
their
he didn't like it, it was
relationship. Men's
boring.
Medical Clinic is able to
Okay.
help
He moved
almost
back in the
all
house
men,
with a
even if
friend.
you have prostate cancer,
And
diabetes,
not doing
high
nothing, not
cholesterol,
working,
or blood pressure.
and
You owe it
like
to yourself to call today and
want them to like cook, clean for them, and do everything for them. They had to go to court and throw them out of their house.
Let's throw them out. Throw them out.
The kid's got a degree and a good job, and he walks away. Or the kid, if he's trying, can't get a job. Yeah, I understand that. That you know.
Located at 125.
Oh my God, my husband drive is the way he drive scares me. We're in Queens right now, and a lot of crazy drivers around here. We're in Manhattan right now. A lot of crazy driver here. My husband's giving me heart attack.
I don't want to get behind this guy. He's got Connecticut life license. He thinks he's going to drive worse.
Man, slow down. Oh my God. You do it intentionally now.
Yeah, I need to get front of Connecticut guy. You don't have to walk past the New York. In the Philippines, they drive like nut jobs, and that's okay with you.
Because it's slow. Even they're like everywhere, but they're driving slow. Oh, it's in the man.
From New York. Around where you go? Nowhere.
Did you see that blue car? That's the car that's just like everywhere.
It's a rental car.
It's a rental. Yeah.
See the white barcode on the window?
Yeah.
Security guards after playing the Chicago Festival on Friday night. In a now deleted tweet, Urbani says she later learned the people who attacked them were not staff, but private.
Nag-vlog ko. Hold on. Hi guys, I'm with my friend.
Oh.
It's Remy Kalote.
Hi. We're in the subway.
Yeah.
Okay. We're in the 82nd subway, Jackson Heights.
She's single and ready to mingle.
We're going to Flushing. Yeah, Flushing Queens.
Flushing. Oh, di ba niya Flushing?
Going to Flushing.
Oh, going to Flushing.
Ikuan man na, renovate naman adaan pagpalit na mo.
Nakapuyo siya sa Cagayan. Cagayan man eh. O taga Davao.
I'm so tired.
Si Remy na nakapuy. Baktas. Lisod
I
ning.
am really tired.
Lisod ning.
Nanganad ni nagkadilak.
Ha?
Nanganad ni kadilak. Kadilakat.
Kadlakat.
Oh my G.
Oh my God.
Pero madukol na yun siya. Over siyang ubanan niya. Ito ko ba sila yung wife? Masilusan na tagkalit. O, tayo yung buhat.
Mapusilan kita. Auto ko naman dahil auto. We're in the bus right now.
Yeah. We're in the bus. Way back to flashing.
Yeah. Thank goodness.
Oh my G.
Unsa?
Oh my G.
We're in the train station. Train already inside the train.
Oh, flashing.
And she's sleepy. She's tired. This is the train. Asa ni dapit
Flashing.
sa Flashing Queens.
Flashing Queens. We're going to Jackson Heights. Balik ni Usmuswan. Mura to. Balik ni Usmuswan.
Ala, nagputi nga naman.
Ha? Nya. Naku, ano ka ito? Nya. Kuhan ka na. Saan na? Pagkato niya sa paglargaya niya. Ilang tao ko eh.
Asa-asa siya paingon?
Saudi.
Saudi.
Nya, di mo siya padala. Ang buwang niya, kaya siya padala sila. Touch.
As in.
Ako lagi-
Ingon man sila nga palakiro maka.
Oo, palagi lagi kayo. Pero sa ako, itugan ko yung inahan sa akong amiga ng pressing. Matay kung si Remy, sa panang babay, kung si Remy akong makot. Pero kung mukuro, gumakadikit sa iyo. Ay, grabe mo rin. Ingot sa diyang ginikanan, wako kabalungan, ingat ito bisalag balay. Idala ko sa akong amiga, ito siya lagi nga akong amiga. Diba niya? Kasi mo, pero niya. Kuan ka na eh. Ang sana? Yung isla may suon, hindi. Sa takpo, di ko rin kabalinan. Tingala sila nga ako yun. Sa una, dili pa ko yung balay. Buboy, di ka po yung balay, dili pasubo. Pero pagka, kuan na mo, puyo lang, kung ano ng tubig, pasubo na. Kung hindi sa balay, nag-wonder sila, minsan ko na pa.
Nakautak niya ron.
Ha?
Nakautak niya.
No.
Minyo na siya ron, no?
Sa corner siya.
What do you get? Palisel! And I have my OB Makapuno red ribbon.
Udi, makapuno.
Makapuno.
Sabalo ka makapuno? Wow.
Dupa daw. Hey, we're in Jollibee! We're in Jollibee! Jollibee! Dupa daw. Just got home from our shopping. And now I'm in my friend's room. And I owe her some money. I'm talking to myself. Goody. Nakabalik na mi.
Dami na ito nahanap.
Oh, I spend a lot of money. It's not really a lot, but for me, I don't have a job, but that's one.
Wala, palpak pang interview. Nakawapag ako. Is that funny?
Nawadaan si Remy ang interview. Sigpanuktok, ihapan siya. Ihapan niya da. 10, 9. Katawa ko sa iyo, Marie. Imagine gihapan.
This is the last. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Ang ilok po tayo kay ilok. Shiny armpits.
Shani. Shani sinaw.
Oh, nagsinaw bito yung mga armpits. Oh, really sinaw. Uy, kanang bot na ko pasibot ba? Kanang hamis.
Matika. Mantika siguro kung deodorant.
Armpits with oil.
Oh my.
Olive
Thank
oil.
you, Lord. Nakapamalit.
Okay na.
Please.
Okay, asa to imo?
Ano sa'yo ako napalit? Mong ligap. Uy, akong isukod.
Oo, to, di sukod, uy. We went to Gap
May
store.
buttons. Nice, no?
Nice, jud siya pare. Sinaw, nindot siya do. As in, nindot man ang Gap do.
Lagi. Ganun ko fitting sa gap.
Hoy, bitag maigo ni mo na.
Igo, cute.
Grabe ka gamay, kuyuta. Cute ba ni mo, eh? Murag ampaw. Murag ampaw.
Wala akong mga pantalon, no?
Gapod na siya na. Lagi, nagtanaw lagi ko. Abi na ako sa imo, apo.
Nako'y Sarah na wag uno mga kaina, no?
Asa Ginoo?
Napalitan na ko og barato.
Pila?
That one, the white buttons. Cut.
Oh,
That's
kana?
expensive pants.
Mo ba?
Yeah, and then I just get a cheaper one.
Hala, igo. Hala, guot, uy. Hala, igo, jud ay. Giatot ni mo rimiha ka, uy.
Igo.
We went to Gap. She went to kids section and get some. Look at that. That's a 12 size 12 in kids section.
Nice.
And I'm trying to find some 14 size 14, and they
Sorry
don't have
for
it.
you. Sorry for you. Look at.
Hala, uy, pitit jud kay siya do. No?
Dapat untap.
Hala, no sam
Oh
to?
my God. Dapat untap ko 14 ako Pwede pa 14. Piot ra gid siya oh.
Piot siya rin.
Pero okay ra. Pero okay, kuan man ni siya, stretch man.
Stretchable, no?
Piot ra gid. Pero abi ni mo kung piot na kung tiyan. Mawala man niya kung tiyan. Kung piot na siya.
Yung banana do, gimingaw.
Kung tiyan may gid ako.
I'll see you later, guys, when my husband pick me up here.
Nice no? Yeah. Ako i-powers this one. My cute room. My cutie-fire room.